My comrade.
My honorable comrade. Long time, my brother.
No see.
When you enter town?
I entered day before yesterday.
Don't date this Lagos 2 days. You no look for me.
No verse, my comrade. No
Wow.
verse.
What you carry you come?
Now the General Secretary, United Beggar Association, Amazon, share update say one man did this area. We they give beggars money. You know say we need to take care of your money. I hear the update. I take night bus. I don't enter Lagos. Marco call my share.
Give her for my area, and I know they are aware.
What do you mean by that?
Anyways, make a rush because they say the man get away till they come off for house. Now we meet up.
No wahala
Yeah,
now.
no lose.
Happy hands.
Give us never lack.
Happy hands.
Give us never lack.
We dey see now.
No wahala, let us.
Now, wow.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. Please, I'm sorry to bother you this morning. Please, if you take a very good look at me, you say that I'm not a beggar. But, sir, ma, I need your help. I'm on my way to Benin this morning when they robbed me. So I don't have transport to go back to Benin City. Any amount you can help me with, I would really appreciate, sir. Please, sir.
All right, no problem. What will happen? I'm going to send you 50,000 naira, and I hope that is enough for you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. It will be enough, sir.
What's your account number?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm very fine, sir. A giver you are, a giver you shall remain, and giver they say they never lack, sir. Actually, this is not me. I don't do this.
Don't fire you.
It's just condition that is making me do this
Can
right
you
now.
go straight to the point?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm a married man, and my wife just put to bed. But sadly, the child and the mother, they are not in good condition. I'm the only one that is fine. I'm not begging you, sir, but the thing is, I need your help. My wife is in coma. My daughter, she is on oxygen, sir. Please, I don't anything you can use to assist me. It's just your assistance that I need, sir. And it will go a long way for my family. Save a life, sir.
Your situation is very serious, but we already have this man here.
Honey, I think his situation is more critical than this man's own. So let's give him the 50,000 and give him 5,000 since he just needs transport.
Okay, you have a point there. So please, you call your account. What bank do you use?
I use UBA, sir. 2137-27788.
Okay. Osas?
That's the very name, sir.
I just sent you 50,000. So please call your account details.
91
Okay.
75.
All right. What bank?
Pay well.
Solo?
Yes, sir.
All right. I just sent you 5,000. Please, you guys, please take good care of yourself. Okay, you try and meet your wife, and you know.
Go to the
Okay,
hospital,
baby, let's go.
Bro, which kind of nonsense character you exhibit for here just now?
Okay, nothing like nonsense thing for what I do just now. Now my territory this, so you go calm down. Now Lagos, you did not be Benin.
No be lie. Bro, for this thing what you do just now, make I not see you for Benin. Make I not see you for Benin.
You don't threaten me. We not be one. Happy hands.
Not be for this matter.